The crypto industry is filled with people who consistently get profits and those who consistently get losses. Getting consistent losses usually comes as a result of your poor choice of trading tools, and the saddest part is that most give up as a result of this. If you're one of those individuals who have been in this situation, then you're just in the right place, where we will be giving you some of the best crypto trading tools to use, and if you take our advice, your crypto journey will take a complete 180. Are you ready? If so, make sure you stay till the end of the video. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto, and welcome to ABCrypto, where we will take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _ABCrypto_. And if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links in the description below. Let's get started. The first tools are those that we can use as best exchanges. Now, someone might ask, why does it matter to choose the best exchanges? Well, one thing that we all must realize is that the first step to profiting big is choosing reliable exchanges to trade with because they're your gateway to the crypto world. The three main factors to keep in mind when selecting the best exchanges are liquidity, security, and fees. We have our three best exchanges that we think can be of importance to you, and so why? Because they have achieved all the three qualifications to make a best exchange. So they are BitMEX, Binance, and Coinbase Pro. First, before we can even proceed, what are trading platforms? Trading platforms are some of the best crypto trading tools for bringing your trading to the next level by streamlining it. Why are trading platforms important? They're important because instead of having multiple windows to trade across various exchanges, you can now trade on multiple exchanges all from one platform. And this can help you take advantage of market opportunities quicker and closely monitor the market better. Now, it may look great to have a trading platform, but always ask yourself, is it worth it based on security and liquidity? We don't just pick from any trading platform, and winners always select the best. And one of the trading platforms that we consider to be the best is Coinbase, which is ultimately the most used trading platform in the market. So, selecting the best wallet also saves you from a lot of losses. In the crypto sphere, wallets act like your bank, and it is required that you choose the best for your fund's security and privacy. And there's no faster way to lose all of your money than a hacker stealing your private keys, which then grants them access to your funds, or you might even find yourself sending coins to the wrong recipient, and this is just because of poor wallet user interface or security. Well, if you're having a hard time selecting the best wallet, then we've got you covered. The following are some of the best wallets that you should consider. They are MetaMask, MEW, Ledger Nano J, and Exodus. Guys, remember to give us a thumbs up in this video if it's becoming beneficial and if it's entertaining. We may proceed to our next group of crypto tools. Now, the DEXs. First, what is a DEX or DEX? It's a decentralized exchange that serves the same function as a centralized exchange, but the technical infrastructure is decentralized. I know, confusing. But why do many use DEXs in addition to centralized exchanges or instead of centralized exchanges? Have you ever had this rhetorical thought and gone ahead to find out why? Now, this is because of its advantage. The advantage here is that the users do not need to deposit funds to exchange, and so they keep their funds secure in the wallet. If you may be having a problem with finding the best DEXs, then consider IDEX, which is one of the oldest and is still running today. In market data, we also have some of the best crypto tools that we can use to enhance profits and minimize those losses. The process of drawing in market data requires integrating with various exchanges, normalizing data, and calculating average prices, all while making sure that there are no errors. Having an accurate pulse on the market with accurate data is a mandatory requisite for becoming a profitable crypto investor. And so, what are some of the best places for market data? So, take a look at CoinMarketCap, which is mostly used for checking prices, volume, and the supply of coins. It also has a robust API if you wanted to pull in data to your interface. We also advise checking out On-Chain FX and Crypto Compare. So, those are some of the crypto tools to use if you want to become a successful crypto investor. We have only selected those that are vital and make a huge impact in the cryptocurrency space, and you can check the links down below in the description and get more on them. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching the video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching, and see you in Thursday's video.